Mrs. Madhugupta, for coming up with this wonderful idea. So you all should be thankful to her. And the two people who are behind executing the whole thing is your Megha ma'am and Rina ma'am. So thank you so much for all the cooperation. And children who, pondered on a very, very sensitive topic. Considering the present times, where actually the environment is posing a very major problem if as students we are not going to become very much aware about it. Now when I say aware about it, you are absolutely aware that what all is happening around us. But now I think the time has come wherein the awareness part is good, but as an active change makers, what exactly are we doing? Are we an active agents now and making some very, very measurable steps to make everyone around us aware about it? And most importantly, you have to remember that when I every time say that we all are change makers, the first step is that we have to bring a change. Yes, you all agree with that? The ones who are sitting here, we have to bring that change. Because every small little deed makes a difference. Yes? So what those small changes you're going to bring around you? Because all these big things are the government policies. Good, we have to make everybody aware about it, so that people are sensitized. But what exactly are we going to do ourselves to bring that small little change so that we become those leaders and everybody starts following and taking example that look, okay, there, he's doing something wonderful or she's doing something wonderful, why can't I do it? So you have to make those lifestyle changes. So you have to bring that kind of a thought into you, and once you do that, then only you will see everything around you would start changing. So this is the time of reflection, that what exactly are you all going to do? So prepare a list for yourselves, and then as a club in charges, you have to take it forward to all the children. Go and tell them that look, we have brought these changes, and we expect you all also to start bringing those changes.
At the end of the day, I would like to thank our respected chairperson ma'am for giving us this golden opportunity. I would also like to thank our respected principal ma'am and our esteemed vice principal ma'am for being such enthusiastic supporters, and of course Reena ma'am for also providing her support to organize this panel discussion. And last but not the least, I would like to thank the IT department and the admin for providing their extraordinary support in the IT sector. Thank you everyone, and namaskar.
I would like to ask, what is the weather that is happening within you? Tell me something about the weather inside you. Who would tell that? Weather inside you. We talk about listening to weather, what forecast, what's the weather inside you there? A big side now. What? Yes, sunny. Very good, sunny. Okay. Yes. Cloudy and hazy. Okay. Yes. Yes. Now, children, what happens is when we talk about weather, it is generally taken for some point of time. Like suppose today, we talk about today. How is the weather outside? Sultry, right? Sometimes it is rainy. So that's what we call weather. When it's just for small some time or time, right? But then when we talk about long period, okay? Suppose now every time when I'm asking you about how the weather inside, so you say I'm very happy, I'm very enthusiastic now. But then if you keep saying no, I'm very sad, I feel very low, see these things which happen for a long time, over the duration, when you say this, we are not happy, so that goes on, then that becomes your habit. Same thing happens with the climate. Alright? So weather is for a day, okay? Climate is for a long. Alright? Longer time. Alright, okay? So the climate within you, the weather within you has to always be good, positive. Alright? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And we keep and you people are going to do everything. We are going to be spectators.